Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2015, 16, 17 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where your sunroof fuse is located, where you can find that fuse. It's actually two of them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important to always guys test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically 2017 guys, Toyota Camry right here. That's what we'll be demonstrating on. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car, okay, and we'll be working today, okay, mainly in just one of them. The fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Go ahead, open the door. If you look under the dash all the way upside down above the pedals, you will see one white cover. Go ahead, open it, and once you do that, you will see guys that fuse box layout that you see right here. Before we continue, let's explain guys quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. What we have here now guys, which two fuses we will need to check if your sunroof does not work. So if you come in that row here, that's fuse number 1 right here. That fuse you will guys need to check, 10M fuse. But then the main sunroof fuse guys, okay, if you come this way, that's right here now, that's fuse number 25, 26. That 10M fuse that you see right here, fuse number 26 is for the sunroof. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.